Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change home address on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your home address on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application. And before we proceed guys, if you have already added a home address on your Google Maps, that will be available on the U section, but if you have not added it, you'll be required to add it first. So we're just going to change it. To do that, you can see the U button over here at the bottom of the screen, just beside the Explorer. Tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see many categories of your list. Tap on the labeled places over here. Your home addresses and your work addresses will be on labeled private places. Tap on the label category, and you can see guys, this is my home as well as the work location. Now in order to change your home address, you can see the three dotted icon at the right side of the home address over here. Tap on the three dotted icon at the right side of the home address, and over here you can see there is the edit home option available for us. Tap on edit home, and you will be able to drag your home location like this. If you are currently in your home, then tap on the GPS location over here and your home will be shown like this. Tap on save, and then your tap on done, and then your home address will be changed like this. Or if it's not happening like this, go to the Explore section of your Google Maps, and at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, there is your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when this menu appears, you can see your data in maps option just above the settings. Tap on your data in maps and let's let it load. Over here, scroll down, you'll be able to find your home address over here where it says home and work addresses. Tap on home, and you will be able to change your home address from here as well. Either you can type it manually over here by going to your details of your home address, by going to your all of your house numbers and your city numbers over here, or you can just directly tap on the choose on map, and you will be on the map section over here where you will be able to choose your home like this by going to the maps directly and search for your home or your accurate location over here. And after choosing your location, tap on the save button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then your home address will be changed and saved. After doing that, tap on the done button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Let's do that again, and let's save it. And after doing that, the done button is available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on done, and your home address on Google Maps will be changed. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to change your home address on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.